Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Halal and Delicious, and today we're going to be making Anas Boston cream donut. 1 1/4 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of dry active yeast, 2 eggs, 1 stick of butter, 1/4 of granulated sugar, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of salt. We mix the yeast and the milk together, and then we'll wait 10 minutes for the yeast to become active. Now the yeast is ready after like 30 minutes. So then now we're going to mix all the ingredients together. First the yeast, the 2 eggs, sugar, butter, and salt. Some flour just to make the mixing easier. We keep mixing and folding. Clean the bowl and then put some oil, and then now we're going to put the dough inside it to triple the size. Take at least 3 hours. Put it inside. We're going to put it inside the microwave for 3 hours, but of course the microwave is going to be off. Then for the filling, we have 2 cups of milk, 4 spoons of cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 big spoons of cornstarch. Now we add all of the ingredients together. For the milk, the sugar, the cornstarch, 1, 2, and for the cocoa powder, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we add 1 more glass of milk to make it 2. Into the pot we go. Now we start to mix. And then now we put it in medium heat and then keep on mixing so it can become thick. Now the filling is thick and it's ready to be cooled down. Now the dough has become triple. Turn the dough out onto a well-floured surface and roll it into 1/2 inch thickness. Now we get any circle object and start to cut it into donut-shaped circles. Now we have to fry the donut. So then we fill the pan up with oil and then turn up the heat so it could become hot. Now the oil is ready and we're going to fry the donut. Now we flip the donut to the other sides. And now we're going to flip it one more time. Now we're going to put it in the dry sheet. Now we have fried the donut, and it's all good. We're gonna get our plastic spoon, make a hole inside the donut, and clear off space so we can put the chocolate filling inside.
Wow.
Like this.
Whole way?
And
How
keep on
dare you
doing it.
get do that? What about me?
And now the next one. Now we're going to put the chocolate inside this bottle so it can be easier to put inside the donut. Now we're going to put the filling since we filled it up. First, we grab it, shake it so it can come out a bit, put it in, and squeeze. Now we're done with the donuts filling, we're going to cover it. For the ingredients we have 1 spoon of halal gelatin, 3 spoons of coconut oil, 3 spoons of hot water, chocolate chip, and heavy cream. First we mix the hot water with the gelatin and then we mix. And then we leave it on the side. After that, we're going to put the chocolate in the bowl and put the heavy cream on top of it, but not all of it. Then we mix. After that, we put the halal gelatin on top and the coconut oil. And now we mix. Now we're done mixing. Everything's mixed up together. We're going to dip the donuts inside for the covering. Here's our first donut that we're going to dip in and put the covering on. Second donut. Third donut. Oh my. Now we proceed. Thank you for watching Carrera and Delicious. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's very easy to make. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and we'll see you next time.